Hey, I have a question for you. I'm just kind of curious. Are you feeling overwhelmed by meal prep? What if I told you that healthier eating does not have to feel complicated or to take up hours of your time? Let me get into that. But before I do, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Francois. I'm the founder and chief health and wellness pain management specialist here at the Pain Clinic. I help individuals, whether living with chronic pain or simply seeking to enhance their well-being, to get that energy going, improve the mobility and function in daily lives. Basically, I really want to help empower people to experience a better quality of life. All right. So why did I bring up that whole meal prep stuff for today's topic? Because we're a little bit further into the new year, and maybe healthier eating is one of your goals. And yes, I bring it up because it can be overwhelming with the meal prep because we live in a world with endless nutrition information and nutrition advice. And it's potentially too easy to feel paralyzed by all those options. Look, my goal for this month is really simple. It's less is more. And what I mean by that, less is more is about helping you to cut through the noise and to get back to basics. It's looking at simple nutrition, realistic mindset shifts, and no fuss strategies to make having healthier habits easier to build and to maintain as well. Hopefully that makes sense, right? All right. So today it's really looking at um, how to get a little bit more into um, nutrition and making it simple, especially with meal prep stuff. Because I've been in this industry for well over 20 years and helping individuals from many walks of life to feel stronger and more confident as well with their overall health and wellness. So let's try to look at nutrition and keeping it simple. I'm going to share with you three of my favorite ways to make nutrition feel easy and doable, even when life gets busy. It could be getting busy. For example, I've worked with a couple clients who are living with chronic pain, and they tell me that it's they're busy with a lot of appointments, right? So that's they're busy. Yours might be, hey, I'm hanging out, I'm going to work, but I'm also got to do not family stuff, yeah, family food prep stuff as well when I get home or plan for that. So let me go through, like I said, three things. Number one here is something called the plate method. Instead of worrying about counting every calorie, if you're counting calories or grams or something like that, is really looking at the plate method where you fill half of your plate with, let's say, colorful vegetables, maybe a quarter of your plate with some quality protein, and the last quarter with a healthy carb. Maybe if you want a topping, you drizzle some healthy fats like olive oil or maybe avocado oil or something like that. Sometimes you could customize this as you want, and this could be a good thing for either meal prepping or eating on the go as well. So once again, that's called the plate method. The other one too is sometimes to make it easier, and especially when we're thinking about food, it might be having a 3 to 5 go-to meals on a rotation. When you're short on time, and who isn't sometimes when they're hanging out in the kitchen, working and all that stuff, and also maybe hungry as well, it's way too easy to grab whatever's convenient. Maybe that's why having a rotation of quick, nutritious meals ready to make on the fly is a doable thing. Um, so what may that look like? For example, it might be a veggie packed omelet with a side of mixed berries for breakfast, as an example. And maybe it's a quick salad with pre-cooked protein or homemade balsamic vinaigrette. Maybe it's a protein smoothie loaded with greens, nut butter, and frozen berries. This is just a few examples that come out from a couple of different nutrition guides I've done with a professional nutritionist as well. All right. Another one, the third option is this. It could be batch prep what matters most. I know some people like batch prepping their meals, and that's whatever works for you is all good. But sometimes it's what matters most might be more important. So in a large meal prep, if you feel like there's too much, it's just prep a couple of the basics. Maybe it's roast a tray of veggies or cook a batch of quinoa that you use throughout the week. The goal isn't to be perfect, but it's to make healthy eating as simple as possible. The healthy habits should work for you and not the other way around. Hey, I really hope that this stuff was really helpful. And if you want to learn about more tips, something like this, you could find me at theotherpainclinic.com. That's the website, Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, and YouTube channel at The Other Pain Clinic. Make your day a healthy day, and I'll see you in the next video, and where I'll share with you something that I'm really working on for this month. And hopefully you might be interested in getting it. All right, take care. Have a great day.